In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Udemy course instructor account. Whether you're a seasoned educator or someone eager to share your skills with the world, becoming a Udemy instructor is a fantastic way to reach a broad audience. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to visit Udemy's website at udemy.com. If you're familiar with the platform and already have a student account, you can simply click Log In at the top right corner of the page. If you're new to Udemy, you'll want to click on Sign Up to create a brand new account. Signing up is straightforward. You'll just need to provide some basic information like your name and email address. Next, once you've logged in or signed up, the exciting part begins. Navigate your way to the top right corner of the screen and click on Teach on Udemy. This is your entry point to becoming an instructor. From here, click the Get Started button, which will guide you through a structured setup process designed to help you get acquainted with the teaching tools and requirements. During this process, you'll be asked to answer some questions about your teaching experience. Don't worry if you're new to this. Udemy is open to instructors from all backgrounds, so answer these questions honestly to help tailor your dashboard experience. Once you've completed the questionnaire, you're all set to enter the instructor dashboard. This is your command center, a dedicated space where you can create and manage your courses. You'll find a variety of tools and resources here to help you succeed as a Udemy instructor. Now that you're familiar with the dashboard, it's time to focus on your instructor profile. Click on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll want to update your profile information. Take a moment to write a compelling bio. This is your chance to introduce yourself to potential students and highlight your expertise and passion. Also, consider adding a friendly, professional profile picture. A good picture helps to establish trust and credibility with your audience. Lastly, let's ensure your privacy settings are just where you want them. Adjust these settings according to your preference to control who can view your profile and courses. It's all about balancing visibility and privacy to suit your personal and professional needs. And there you have it. You're on your way to creating engaging and impactful courses on Udemy. Becoming a Udemy instructor opens many doors, allowing you to share your knowledge and engage with learners from around the globe. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I wish you the best of luck on your teaching journey.